We're going to make a picture window out of plexiglass, 4x8 sheet. It's going to be on my divider wall. So I use plexiglass for the fact that it's shatter resistant, so if something from my wood shop flies up against it, I don't have to pick up broken glass. But as you can see here, the wood is going to be 3.5 inches wide for a standard 2x4. And then you go over here to your plexiglass, and you want to do the 1/4 inch because it's stronger, won't bow. But to use as stops, you're going to have to use 2x2s because they're going to measure about 3 inches, so 3.25. So then it'll be perfect. You'll have like 1/4 inch gap. But so that window is going to go over there. Frame up your window, which is going to be a 4x8 sheet, but you want like a 1/8 inch gap around the sides and the top so that that plexi can expand if it does, if you're not in a heated area. But then you just cut your stops. So you're going to do your side pieces first on mine because I have this little joining section right here of wood. It doesn't really matter. So you do your side pieces, you make a stop, frame up a stop so that the plexiglass can hold against it, and then you put another 2x2 on the front to hold it in place. Then you don't have to screw or drill into that plexiglass. So it's framed with the 2x2s. As you can see, it's framed up, so the plexiglass will actually just go against this, and then another 2x2 will be going back here to sandwich it together, and then it can expand and contract and it won't move or anything. Make sure that you go over here and you peel your plexiglass acrylic sheet, protective film back about 2 inches, because then it's easier to peel off. So that's about it. I'll show you what it looks like finished. Looks like when it's finished, you can see that the 2x2 and the plexi is sandwiched. It's pretty clear. You can't even tell. I mean, it's clearer than glass. It's strong, lightweight, impact resistant. So yeah, this wall is going to have accent. It's going to be accent wall. So it's going to have wood on it. And that boiler will be basically white like this, but there's going to be wood all around it for an accent wall. So hopefully this gives you guys an idea. Just keep on watching for the finished product and you'll see how it all ties in. Thanks for watching. Also make sure that when you're doing your interior walls, you drive your anchors into the concrete to hold the wall up, because there's a lot of weight. And how I tied it to the ceiling, just drilled through into the truss. So top and bottom is connected, so just concrete anchor it and your wall will be nice and solid.